This is the teacher preview for the Google Slides product One More, One Less for the numbers 60 through 80. This can be assigned in Google Classroom for your students. On all of my Google Slides products, I do include a direction video for the students on the first slide. All they need to do is press play to see me manipulating my screen and showing them what they need to do on theirs. For this resource, they're going to be finding the number in the middle on the number line by moving this oval to highlight it. And then they're going to be finding one less while using the number line. So they're just going to hop back one, and they're going to see that that number is 72. They're going to double click on the question mark and type in 72 on their keyboard. And then they're going to follow this arrow down to answer the subtraction sentence, 73 minus 1 equals, and they know that's 72. Then they're going to use the same thing to find one more. So they're going to hop forward and find that that number is 74. They're going to follow the arrow down and do 73 plus 1 is 74. I'll go through the rest of the slides and show you, but all of these numbers are the numbers 60 through 80, so nothing really changes apart from the numbers. They're going to be doing the same thing on each of the slides for practice. At the end, there is an answer key for you. You can print this out or have it on a computer next to you as you're grading these, but just don't forget to get rid of it before you assign it to your students.